All right, today we're building an Apify actor. We're gonna connect this thing up to Clay and then do some image recognition stuff. So let's go ahead and log into Clay. Apify. Never. Great. Go to store. We want the realtor scraper. This one, we are going to rent actor. Oh, all right. Let's just increase usage here. Nope, don't want to do that. I want to settings, billing. Let's just increase. Buy add-ons? No. How do you do this? Current period, historical usage, subscription. No, I just need to change this $100 number. I don't want to buy add-ons. There is a way to increase the usage amount. Where is this? Limits. Edit limit. $126. There you go. Look at that magic. Apify store. Realtor. Realtor scraper. Rent actor. Rent actor. Actor rented. Okay. Start URL. Let's just do this sheets.new. We're going to create a, I have this. This is, what is this? This is zip codes. All US zip codes. All right. Great. We got all the US zip codes. Let's go ahead and, where should I paste this? Okay. I'll save it elsewhere. Let's go ahead and let's just maybe start with a handful of zip codes. Great. Where is, okay, start URLs. Oh, why did I do that? Why didn't I? Let's reset this. Cancel changes. Great. Great. I want to turn these into realtor. Well, actually, let's just do this. I think we can start in a zip code. Oh, great. So this has all the filtering up here. You can just change whatever you want. All you have to do is change this thing. So you're going to basically say into realtor.com URLs that look like this. Can you create the full URL list? And you can programmatically build this inside of, actually, here, why don't I just do this here? Realtor link. And then you can actually upload these. Great. Equals this and here. Oops, here. Great. Now these are all the links. You can just actually upload them directly for all of the country. So you can just upload them directly into Apify. So we're going to go JSON start URLs. Great. Now we're going to paste this. We're going to go boom. Now embed that in this array. Replace this array. This is just the JSON structure for that information. And you probably could do this via calling Clay, but it's actually just not too bad to paste this in. And you could also just literally, maybe I could do this for you. I can, which is, let's go back to here. This is, insert left. Let's do this. Quotes, great. Equals, I wonder if you can escape a quote. I don't know. Equals this and, great, nice. And let's make that static. Great. All right. Great. They're in quotes now. And how start URLs, and they need a comma after all of them except the last one. So let's add a comma here. All right. And this. All we're doing is referencing these cells to turn it into a nice little JSON. And star you want, boom. Okay, great. So now you actually have like, this is all the URLs for the country, and you can modify this URL here if you want to like not do single type mobile homes, like this is square foot age. You can change all those filters and just replace it once and then drag down. So if I want, basically I can go here and then go realtor scraper, and I'll show you just how this works. I can paste in all of these, and you might have to like do some tabs here. Actually, maybe you don't. Maybe you just have to remove the last comma. Otherwise, it's not valid JSON. This should be valid JSON. Okay. I'm not gonna. This is like too many homes. I don't want to. But again, you have to remove that last comma. Otherwise, it won't work. All right. So we got a scrape here. Let's do save and start. Let's go into Clay. New workbook. Real estate. Rename real estate thingy. Image processor. All right. We want to do more sources. Apify. Import data. You got the Apify key. Amazing. There's the realtor scraper. And let's actually go see if this is started yet. Great. This has started. Great. It succeeded. So it scraped a bunch of URLs. So this is great. Realtor scraper. We're going to, I think, let's just submit, see what this looks like. Maybe actually it'll pull it in. More sources, Apify, import data, continue, realtor scraper, get data from a specific run, fine. Great, submit. Submit. Apify. Okay, API key works, great. No options, okay, yeah. Specific run, it finds the run. What went wrong? Let's just like see if we can. What 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 is the hmm? How else? I guess I could import this. Really, we need all the image URLs. Okay, I know how I can do this. So basically, it is this image URL that we want to load. Yeah, and we just want to ask a question about that image URL. Now, we want I really want to import from Apify, though. Let's try again. Let's delete this. And new. Signals. New. What if I did? Yeah, let's try this again. Oh, great. Let's add. Blank. Okay, now let's try this. Import Apify. Okay, this feels like it actually could work. Realtor. There's the run. Hell yeah. Okay, great. So that's just a bug. All right, great. So we have the Apify record now, and the Apify record has the photos. Okay, so what we're going to do is house view, road view, yard, house view, and oh, that's interesting that it has multiple tags. Okay. All right. I think what we're going to do is use AI. We are going to use GPT-4o mini, which I wish, boy, really upset they don't have. We'll use your actually here, let's use a Claude project. I got my little AI agent project. Great. What I want you to whoa. Use my standard AI agent template, and what you're going to do is you're basically going to have a list of images from a realtor scrape. I'm going to show you an example of what that looks like so you can see. So there's basically going to be a nested JSON array that has photos and then tags associated with it. I'm just trying to find the 5 most likely images that would be staged. So I'm thinking like kitchen or living room, and I want those returned as a comma separated list, like with no other content, just a comma separated list. I'm going to give you the full JSON of one of these so you can see it here. Can you go ahead and give me an AI agent that will take the full JSON array as an input at the very top, and then it will instruct the agent to return no other text except it'll take the tags, and it will then just say give me the top 5 images that would be staged if they were to be staged. Now create this AI agent for me. So basically all we're doing is we got the data, we know the structure, the data has tags to it, which is fantastic. If you run an Apify actor, you can go push more into it. And the good thing is that in this data set here, you can actually see that there are, like, you can go find the agent. It's like somewhere deep in this. You can just type, actually, you can search in Clay and you can do agent. It will tell you the buyer's agent and the seller agent. It's not on every record, but it is there, trust me. All right. Great. Great. This is good. Clay. Wait. Okay, yeah, that's right. Use AI. Use AI. We are going to do, it doesn't need, no, content creation. And we're going to use Foro Mini. Yeah, Foro Mini. We're going to paste this in. We will give it go here. We will do photos, insert all 45 items. You only ever produce a comma separated list of URLs. No other text ever. Okay. I can't spell the word separated. All right. That's fine. Save. Run. Let's like remove this. Great. Now it has a list of images. Very, very cheap. All right, great. Use AI. No, image. We want to do this image thing. Then you want analyze an image. This is here response. All right, great. Now what I'm doing is I have a prompt that will that takes in a set of URLs, and I want it, so that'll be input. So basically I'm creating another AI agent. The input is the set of URLs, and I want to know like any variation of, is this thing staged? Maybe like give a yes or a no, separated by a semicolon, and then why you think it is, maybe yes, no, or maybe, or like maybe like really well staged, kind of staged, or not staged at all. I don't know, actually. Why don't you tell me? But I just want there to be like 3 or 4 levels, a semicolon, and then your reasoning. This is going to take basically the output of the above agent. So create another AI agent with this goal. Feel free to like make judgment calls about what I didn't tell you. The whole goal is to understand like how stagey is this? All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can actually map the agent, which is the seller's agent. That's really important. So Apify, oh, it's not done yet. All right. We'll just wait. All right. This is great. That's great. Copy. Clay. Boom. Response. Yeah, fuck it. Take the whole page. Oh, fine. No, I don't want a mobile device. No, save and don't run. Let's only run one at a time. Don't need to be greedy. Agent. Seller. Wait. Oh, that was stupid. Let's just validate that this thing works now. All right. I feel. Oh. All right. Here are some examples. Can you actually update the AI agent to account for these things? Like you can see sometimes it's like, yo, I don't know. Yeah, go ahead and update the AI agent to account for this, which is like basically maybe there's just one more that's like, yo, these aren't images of a thing that I can evaluate if it's staged. Which this probably just means that the actual property doesn't have. This is kind of what it looks like. It's just modifying. Oh, great. Okay, great. Let's just copy all this. Go in here, edit column. Gonna run this. Save, do not run. Let's actually go. Oh, good. Oh, annual. Nice. Oh, fuck. I did it again. God, it's very literal. All right. And I want to say that let's actually go click on the URL and see if you can find listed by this person. Okay. So these are great. Listing agent. Great. Now we know the listing agent. So, Jennifer Lopez. Wait, hold on. Like Jennifer Lopez, amazing. Okay, that's not staged. Is that what it says? Not staged. Great. The kitchen appears empty. Okay, great. Let's do this. Let's do add action formula. Pull everything before the semicolon here and not the semicolon. Generate formula. Output is correct. All right. Stage status. All right. Duplicate. Use AI. Pull everything after. Great. This is reasoning. All right. Save settings. Is it staged? All right. Can we maybe run some more of these things? Yeah. Let's actually just. Great. Let's run some more. So we're gonna go back. Here's the zip code. Let's just. It's just a little bit helpful to have a handful of these. How do I want to do this? Do I want to do this in clay? Do I want to do this in clay? I wonder if... Okay, this will break down if... Oh, I wonder if they give the... oh. Let's actually see if they have the license number, because that'd be great. They don't have the license number. Well, that's okay. Let's go ahead and... What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to tell you exactly how to know who is the stagiest of the stagey. How would I do this? Let's do this. Okay, I know. What are they called? Agents. Blank table. That's what I want. All right. Agents. Oh, I actually could do this inside this. Whoa. I could do this inside this clay table. So let's do this. Find multiple rows. Multiple rows. Look up multiple rows, another table. Okay, great. So this is what you do. This is going to be a little strange. You're going to search this table, custom table, and what you're going to do is listing agent equals listing agent / listing agent. You'll see what I'm doing in a second here. Let's run this on all 5. So basically, it's going to find all of the mentions of Jennifer Lopez. That's really great. And you're going to have all of the records here, which means that you're going to have all of the cases where Jennifer Lopez... oh, yeah. Okay. I know exactly what to do now. So we're going to do a formula here so you don't have to spend money. Formula. Take a screenshot. Claude. Extended thinking. Go online and learn everything about how clay.com formulas work. All right. This is a JSON array of one record, but in my case, it might actually have multiple records. It is. I'm looking up by the listing agent, and what I want to do is I want to just use a clay formula, and for this listing agent, basically it's going to take this record array, which would have multiple of these options, and say, and basically count how many times minimally staged, well staged, not accessible, or not staged appears in the entire array. This is just one example. There are likely to be more. And it's going to basically look in 0, and then it doesn't have to look at the listing agent because all listing agents are the same, but it's going to go stage status in every single nested array and just say, like, structure the count somehow so I know how often each realtor is like staged versus minimally staged. So can you give me, now don't worry, I can use, actually, can you just write the formula? Do you have everything to write this formula for me? And I'm going to give you the JSON. So basically, what we're doing is we want to find. It's probably just better to use AI. This is like going to be complicated. So what you're going to do is after you run this thing, it has the stage photos. It's going to tell you, is it not staged? Is it staged? Then it's going. I split it out here. You're going to have the reasoning, and you're going to look up this. When this is done, you're going to run it again, and this is going to find all the times that Obi Soto was mentioned, and it's going to give you a count for like how stagey is Obi. Oh, dude, this will not fucking work. This can't work. This can't work. Formula. Let's like records. Insert all items. Yeah, I think it's probably just better to write an AI agent here, because this is like a little crazy. All right, I have another AI agent that I want you to write that's basically going to take in a huge array. This is just like one example of an array, and it'll have like it'll have multiple of these types of records. And what I want to do is I want the agent to basically look at the stage status. So imagine that this was replicated 60 times. And it might say minimally staged at some. It might say partially staged at some. It might say not staged. It might say not accessible. So I kind of want to get an idea like, does this dude always stage? Does he sometimes stage? What percentage of his properties are well staged? What percentage are partially staged? What percentage are not staged? And what percentage are non-accessible? So it's going to take an array like this as the input. And then as part of this AI agent, you should give me structured JSON output that has like the percentage by category. And then it will also take in all of the like the logic notes from the other agent. So then it should just like also just make a note about the realtor. Like sometimes they stage, sometimes they don't. So it should create like a 2-sentence thing that says like information about how they stage, for example. So can you create this AI agent? And you should fill in some of the blanks here if I missed it. So all we're doing is we're going to take in all of those rows and just make a amazing. The human is asking me to create really fucking shit. The human. Okay. Oh, this is fantastic. All right. Great. We're not gonna fuck with this ad. Use AI. All right. Use AI. 4.0 mini is fine. Configuration. All right. What do I want to do? Okay, you can just put it up. Actually, you can put it in the middle. It's fine. And what you're going to do is this is basically going to say insert all the times. Oh, no, sorry. You want to insert all of them. Anytime that you found like basically all of the array. And oh, great. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy. Speed run. All we're doing is getting the structured JSON so that we can get this in a nice format. Oh my gosh, how much money do you need to spend on a Mac to make it not do this? What's going on? Okay, great. All right. Great. Copy. Here, JSON. Great. I feel happy about this. Don't worry about the max cost. 40 mini. Save. Run 5 rows. Oh, did I? Oh, please tell me I didn't connect to the internet. Please tell me I didn't connect to the internet. I did. Why did I connect to the internet? There you go. That's how you know if it's like if it's showing this icon, it's not connecting to the internet. It does not need to go to the internet. Why? Oh my gosh. Clay, why do you do this to me? JSON schema. It's like they destroy things. You fucking love JSON. I can have fun with this, right? Is anyone gonna watch this? All right. Great response. Great. So we got agent summary, staging analysis. This is the agent. Percentage, 100%. Great. Look at this, so cheap. So minimal staging practice, basic furniture with little decorative. This approach suggests a functionality over presence, which may limit the aesthetic appeal of properties. There you go. And then you can say with 60%. What? Oh, let's see. Yo, AI agents getting ultra confused. So here is actually a case where I'm going to give you the response. Excuse me. And then I'm going to give you the actual raw data that looked at. My boy, what happened? Why did the AI agent, like, how did it get this so wrong? What do we need to do to fix this? Let's see. Every let's Oh. Yo, my guy, you need to like rewrite the AI agent. It's just a text base from scratch. Writing code. Rewrite the entire AI agent. Yo, fix it. This is kind of what it's like. No. Just text. Always text. Do not write code except for the JSON output. This is a text-based AI prompt, not a code thing. Great. 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 This is great. Oh. You don't need to talk about tokens used or input token. I think the JSON from the last one is great. You're taking in the just include the same JSON as the last one and redo this. That's probably you probably just could take the JSON. You probably need to do that. All right. Great. All right, great. I'm going to go in here, edit, and you probably just do this. And then you can just dump this guy here. You fucking save, run 5 rows. Let's see how this goes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're staging on the partial. Overall approach, a more thoughtful staging. Look at this. Only one property assessed. A single property is classified as not stage. Jennifer Lopez. So you can see here it's got the name, total properties, 100%. And look at that. I can't even count that low. So cheap. So there you go. There is the is it staged prompt or whole process. So basically, and I will drop that link to you. I'll drop this link to you. FYI, and actually, I'm not going to. Oh yeah, so you got this for a month, and you got the spreadsheet. So actually, you should be pretty good to go. Thanks, Dom. Appreciate you. Adios. Do not tell me I owe you 18 more minutes, for God's sakes. I've done this before. So is that you pay a locksmith for the 30 years it took him to do it in 15 minutes. In this case, not for the 15 seconds it took him to undo your lock. I hope you get a lot out of this, man. Thanks. Bye.